1. What is the primary purpose of the Emergency Alert System or EAS? A. To provide entertainment. B. To broadcast weather forecasts. C. To disseminate emergency information quickly to the public. D. To deliver commercial advertisements. Two. Which U.S. federal agency is responsible for regulating the EAS? A. FEMA. B. FCC. C. NOAA. D. DHS. Three. How often must a required monthly test or RMT be conducted? A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Annually. D. Biannually. Four. In what format must EAS participants retain test logs and event records? A. Digital only. B. Paper only. C. Either paper or digital format. D. No retention is required. Five. Which act mandates the participation of broadcasters in the EAS? A. Communications Act of 1934. B. Homeland Security Act. C. Stafford Act. D. Warren Act. Six. What audio frequency tones are used for EAS alerts? A. 1050 Hz. B. Dual tone 853 Hz and 960 Hz. C. 1200 Hz and 2400 Hz. D. 1000 Hz and 2000 Hz. Seven. What does the EAS header code include? A. Date and time. B. Originator code. C. Event code. D. All of the above. 8. Which of these is an example of a valid EAS event code? A. RWT. B. EAN. C. RMT. D. All of the above. 9. How long must an EAS alert audio message be? A. 30 seconds maximum. B. 2 minutes maximum. C. 3 minutes maximum. D. No time limit. 10. The EAS protocol uses what type of modulation for transmission? A. AM. B. FM. C. AFSK or audio frequency shift keying. D. PM or phase modulation. (11) What is the purpose of a required weekly test or RWT? A. To test audio quality. B. To ensure EAS equipment is functioning properly. C. To test video capabilities. D. To notify the public of potential threats. (12) When can an EAS participant terminate an EAS activation? A. At any time. B. After confirming the alert has ended. C. When instructed by FEMA or state authorities. D. Never. EAS alerts must run to completion. (13) What is the correct action if an EAS participant receives an alert with an invalid header code? A. Ignore it. B. Transmit the alert immediately. C. Log the error and investigate. D. Forward the alert without verification. (14) Who has the authority to activate a nationwide EAS alert? A. Local emergency managers. B. The President of the United States. C. State governors. D. NOAA. (15) How soon must EAS participants transmit a received EAN alert? A. Within 30 minutes. B. Immediately. C. Within 5 minutes. D. Within 1 hour. (16) What does the EAS event code TOR represent? A. Tornado warning. B. Terrorism alert. C. Thunderstorm warning. D. Traffic alert. (17) Which code is used for a civil emergency message? A. CEM. B. CIV. C. CEE. D. CMT. (18) Which EAS originator code represents a National Weather Service alert? A. CIV. B. EAS. C. WXR. D. NWS. (19) Which of the following is not an EAS event code? A. EVI or evacuation immediate. B. BLU or blue alert. C. AMB or amber alert. D. EVT or event notification. How many bursts of data tones precede an EAS alert message? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. During a live EAS activation, what must be done first? A. Play a commercial. B. Transmit a header code. C. Announce the alert verbally. D. Log the event. What should be done if an EAS participant fails an RWT? A. Ignore and proceed. B. Attempt a retest within the week. C. Report to the FCC immediately. D. Wait until the next scheduled test. What is the primary language requirement for EAS messages? A. English only. B. Spanish only. C. Multilingual where applicable. D. Operator's discretion. EAS. The Emergency Alert System or EAS is a national public warning system in the United States designed to allow authorities to disseminate emergency information quickly and effectively to the public via broadcast radio, television, cable systems, satellite radio, and television. Managed by the Federal Communications Commission or FCC in coordination with the Federal Emergency Management Agency or FEMA and the National Weather Service or NWS, the EAS is capable of delivering alerts regarding severe weather events, imminent threats, local emergencies, and national security concerns, including messages directly from the President in the case of a national emergency. The system uses a standardized digital protocol that includes audio tones and text to ensure accessibility across various platforms and to alert individuals with disabilities. Regular tests, such as the required weekly test RWT and required monthly test RMT, are conducted to ensure the system's readiness and functionality. The EAS serves as a critical component of the United States public safety infrastructure, providing timely and reliable information to help protect lives and property. Here are 5 top beneficial uses of EAS. 1. Severe weather alerts. The EAS is vital for disseminating real-time information about severe weather events, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, flash floods, and thunderstorms. Alerts issued by the National Weather Service or NWS help communities take immediate protective actions to minimize casualties and damage. 2. Amber alerts for missing children. The EAS plays a crucial role in broadcasting amber alerts to quickly inform the public about abducted children, providing descriptions of the child, suspect, and vehicle to aid in prompt recovery efforts. 3. National security emergencies. In case of national security threats, such as terrorist attacks or foreign threats, the EAS allows the President of the United States to communicate directly with the public, delivering urgent instructions and information nationwide. 4. Local emergency notifications. The system is used by state and local authorities to issue alerts for emergencies like chemical spills, wildfires, civil disturbances, and evacuation orders, ensuring that information reaches affected communities swiftly. 5. Infrastructure and safety alerts. EAS can broadcast alerts about infrastructure failures, such as dam breaches, power outages, or hazardous material incidents, helping prevent accidents and enabling coordinated responses by emergency services.